Now, for example number 2, evaluating trigonometric functions. This is the problem. In a right triangle, theta is an acute angle and sine theta is equal to 4 over 7. Evaluate the other 5 trigonometric functions of theta. So here you have a given trigonometric function, which is sine. So to start with, step 1 will be we need to draw the right triangle with acute angle theta such that the leg opposite to theta has a length of 4 and the hypotenuse will be the length of 7. Now, how do I know that? Remember, sine theta is the ratio of your opposite and your hypotenuse. So first, you need to draw your triangle. Now here, this is my right angle. The opposite side to the right angle will be your hypotenuse. So this is now your hypotenuse. Now here, this is now your theta. In front of your theta will be your opposite. And the side beside your theta will be your adjacent or your A. In the given sine, we have here a sine theta. Sine theta is the ratio of your opposite and your hypotenuse. So your opposite will be 4, there, that's your 4, and your hypotenuse will be 7. So that's how it will be the step 1. We need to draw the triangle. Next is we need to find the length of the adjacent side by using Pythagorean theorem. Remember, Pythagorean theorem is the it should be c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So in this case, your c will always be your hypotenuse, okay? And then your a and b can be your opposite or your adjacent side, it doesn't matter. Your hypotenuse now will be 7, so we square 7. Your a, in this case, it's missing, so we say a squared. Your b is your opposite, so that's 4 squared. Now we do our simple math. So we need to transfer or we need to get rid of that plus 4 squared to solve for a. So we subtract 4 squared on both sides. Subtract 4 squared on both sides. So your a now, or a squared now, will be the difference of the squared of your 7 and your 4 squared. Now to get rid of that squared, square root on both sides. Cancels out. Square and square root sign will cancel out. So that's how we got that solution over there. So 7 squared is 49. 4 squared is 16. So 49 minus 16 is 33. So your adjacent now will be the square root of 33. Now moving on. Let me just erase our solution part. So step 3 now will be to find the remaining 5 trigonometric functions, because here we already identified our adjacent, which is square root of 33. That's our A. That's your opposite. That's your hypotenuse. Now this is the given because sine theta is 4 over 7. It means that cosecant, which is the reciprocal of your sine, will be 7 over 4. Now we find the other values. Let's begin with the cosine. Cosine is the ratio of your adjacent, which is square root of 33, and your hypotenuse, which is 7. Next is your tangent. So tangent is the ratio of your opposite and your adjacent. So opposite is 4. Your adjacent is square root of 33. Now, remember, whenever you have a denominator that has a square root sign here, we need to simplify that, or we need to rationalize that. So to do that, we get 4 over the square root of 33. So to rationalize that, we need to get rid of that square root sign in 33. So to do that, we just need to multiply your numerator and your denominator by the square root of 33. Multiply that by square root of 33. So 4 times square root of 33 is 4 square root of 33. Now square root of 33 times square root of 33 will give us 33. So tangent theta now will be 4 square root of 33 over 33. So that's how we got that value over there for tangent theta. Now moving on, secant now will be the reciprocal of your cosine, which is hypotenuse over the adjacent. So same thing here. Same thing here. You have here a radical sign at the denominator, so we need to rationalize that. So we will be doing the same thing by multiplying both numerators and denominators by square root of 33. So 7 times square root of 33 is 7 square root of 33. Square root of 33 times square root of 33 we will get 33. So that will be the value of your secant theta, 7 square root of 33 over 33. Now for cotangent, the reciprocal of your tangent is adjacent over opposite. Our adjacent is square root of 33, and our opposite will be 4. So these are now the values of the remaining 5 trigonometric functions. Cosecant is 7 over 4. Cosine is square root of 33 over 7. Tangent will be 4 square root of 33 over 33. Secant will be 7 square root of 33 over 33. And your cotangent now will be square root of 33 over 4.